grams. And the vinegar should be 50 ml. So let's start. And guys, don't forget to put the project in an area that can get messy. For example, outside. But I'm choosing the dining table. So firstly, open the lid and then put the funnel. And then put 50 ml of this vinegar and then put it in. Then now you need this. Now let's put bicarbonate soda. Oh no! Quickly! Oh no! Quickly close the top. And now it's still erupting. Do you see? It looks like there's red steam coming out. And now put this. Quickly close. Do you think that's lava? It also looks like there's steam coming out. Now let's put more bicarbonate soda. No. And then quickly close the cap. Whoa. See that? I think that was the reason it set the back up. You see? Don't forget to wash your hands after the experiment because it may be covered in lava. Just kidding. Not real lava. Experiment lava. Don't forget to help clean up this and observe it for a few minutes with some science tools. And also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and even hit the bell. And then don't forget to check if there's any remaining inside. Just spill the remaining. And don't forget to do this at your home. Bye.